Hey everybody, welcome to Super Music Bros. Today I'm going to be teaching you Deep Purple's Smoke on the Water in 4 different levels. Okay guys, so before we get started, if you haven't played Deep Purple's Smoke on the Water yet, then today you are officially going to become part of the national, international, worldwide Guitar Players Club because it is the quintessential riff of all rock and roll. Not that it's the best or necessarily your favorite, but it's one that everyone knows. For our first level, we're going to be playing on just one string, our D string, and we're going to be using just one finger, our index finger, okay? So let's check it out. Alright, so let's break down our level 1. So we're going to be on our D string. It's going to be open, 3rd fret, 5th fret. Should sound like this. Open, 3rd, 5th. Second part is going to be open again, 3rd fret, then 6th fret going down to 5th fret. Should sound like this. Alright, and then the last part is almost a repetition of the first part, but a little bit extra. So it goes open, 3rd fret, 5th fret, back down to 3rd fret, and then open string again. Should sound like this. So now let's play the whole thing together. Open, 3rd, 5th, open, 3rd, 6th, 5th, open, 3rd, 5th, 3rd, open. So now moving on to level 2. We're still going to be using the D string, but instead of using one finger at a time, we're going to try to use our whole hand, okay? So check it out. Alright, so let's break down level 2 a little bit. In this one, we're going to be using open string, obviously open. Our index finger is going to be on the 3rd fret. Ring finger is going to be on our 5th fret. And anytime we use our 6th fret, we're going to use our pinky. Alright, so check it out. Starting from the beginning of the riff. Open, index, ring. Open, index, pinky, ring. Open, index, ring, index, open. Alright, let's see that a little bit faster. Open, index, ring, open, index, pinky, ring, open, index, ring, index, open. Alright guys, so for level 3, it's going to be almost exactly the same as level 1, except instead of just playing our D string, we're going to add our G string as well. So we're going to be using the same frets and the same finger, our index finger, the whole way through, but we're adding that extra string. So check it out first. So now let's break down level 3 a little bit. Instead of just hitting the open D, we're going to be hitting the open D and the open G at the same time, like so. Now when we go on to fret the next set of notes, you want to press your index finger hard enough that you can hit both the D and the G string and still get a nice, vibrant, round sound from your guitar, okay? So if you feel like something's muted like so, or like that, then you're probably not pressing hard enough and you need to apply a little bit more pressure. So check this out. So open, 3, hitting both strings, 5th fret, hitting both strings, open, 3rd fret, 6th fret, hitting both strings, back down to 5th, then open, 3rd fret, 5th fret, back down to 3rd fret, back to the open. Alright, so let's recap. This is almost exactly like level 1. We're still using one finger only, but we've added an extra string. So one finger, two strings. Check it out. Alright, so you've made it all the way to level 4 now. The song is vibing, you're jamming, you're grooving, you're playing along with Deep Purple. The only thing left is to play actual power chords. Alright, so level 4, we're playing the same riff, but we're going to take it down to a new set of strings. We're going to be using E, A, and D now, and we're going to be using power chords. Okay, so this is going to sound almost exactly like your classic Deep Purple recording, but in your very own home on your very own guitar. Alright, so let's get started. So let's break down level 4 a little bit. So for part 1 of the riff, we're going to play 3 power chords: 6th string 3rd fret, 5th string 1st fret, and 5th string 3rd fret. For part 2 of our riff, we're going to play 4 power chords, starting with 6th string 3rd fret, 5th string 1st fret, 5th string 4th fret, and then back down to 5th string 3rd fret. And then for part 3 of our riff, we're going to go back to our 6th string 3rd fret, 5th string 1st fret, 5th string 3rd fret, back down to 5th string 1st fret, 6th string 3rd fret. So let's put the whole thing together and see what it sounds like. So this one's going to take a little bit of practice, but definitely level 4 is the one that's going to sound most complete and most like the actual song. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below if you have any questions. Bye.